Welcome to Legal Matters. I'm Salim Rizvi. In this segment of the show, let's focus on some urgent immigration questions. Some of these questions in the past were not so frequently asked, but now, in the aftermath of the executive action signed by President Trump, these questions have taken a new life. I'm sure you know this. The highly controversial executive action is currently being litigated in the federal courts. As I speak, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeal is deliberating on the arguments presented by the opposing parties. Regardless of the outcome, one thing is very clear. This executive action has created havoc around the world. Especially green card holders are coming up with all kinds of questions because they have seen some of their friends were stopped at different airports and they were made subject to different kind of questioning. One thing is very clear because the people are asking if they are a green card holder and traveling back to the United States, can their legal status be revoked? The answer to this question is big no, because the Immigration Service does not have any authority to revoke their permanent resident status. What Immigration Service can do is to take their green card away, but in that situation, Immigration Service must give them some kind of proof that they are still permanent resident. What they do is they create this white card and they stamp it. There will be a date on it, name of the person, and it will show that a green card holder is a green card holder. Now, I'm also receiving telephone calls about other green card holders, and their typical question is, they heard from some sources that they must keep their green card in their pockets all the time. I'm not sure that they should keep their green card in their pocket, but this green card must be with them all the time. This is a very old immigration law, but unfortunately, nowadays, under these circumstances, I would not be surprised if Immigration Service tried to enforce this law. This law existed in legal books for a long period of time, but as far as enforcement is concerned, it was not strictly enforced. So the law clearly says that if you are 18 or over, this is your responsibility. This is your legal duty to keep your green card with you. And if you don't, and you're found guilty of it, you can be imprisoned for up to 30 days, or you can be fined up to 100 days. So in order to avoid this situation, I think under the circumstances, it's a great idea to keep your green card with you. I mean, since this morning, I have been receiving many other telephone calls, and those calls are based on fear. The purpose of this segment is to give you very clear-cut information about your responsibilities, about your duties, and about your rights.